Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Part A, the average rate of change of f prime on the interval 3 to 12 is f prime of 12 minus f prime of 3 over equals 4 over 9. Part B, let m of x equal f of x. Equals negative 10 and m of 12 equals f of 12, which is f of 15 or 36. That m of x equals 0. Part C, the right Riemann sum for the integral from 3 to 15 of f double prime of x squared dx with subintervals 3 to 5. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.